नमस्कार मेरे दोस्तों, जीरीवाल जीएस क्लासेस में आप लोगों का स्वागत है। और इस ऑब्जेक्टिव के कड़ी में हम आगे की ओर बढ़ते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 81, व्हाट गिव्स रेड एंड येलो कलर्स टू रेड एंड येलो सॉइल? आंसर देखिएगा, रेड एंड येलो सॉइल develops a reddish color due to the diffusion of iron crystalline and the metamorphic rocks. Next है, it looks yellow when it occurs in a hydrated form. Okay. Next, where does the laterite soil develop? Then your answer should be laterite soil develops under the tropical and subtropical climate with the alternate wet and dry season. Next, question number 83, what is the name of the soil formed by the intense leaching? है ना, तो लीचिंग के कारण किस प्रकार का सॉइल फॉर्मेशन होता है? तो लेटराइट सॉइल इज फाउंड बाय इंटेंस लीचिंग. लेटराइट सॉइल्स आर मोस्टली डीप टू वेरी डीप, एसिडिक, जनरली deficient in the plant nutrients. Clear है? This is the answer of this question. Next, 84, name the two crops which can be grown in laterite soil after the adopting soil conservation technique. Then your answer should be the tea and the coffee is the favorable crops for the laterite soil. What type of soil develops due to the high temperature and the evaporation? Then arid soil. Answer is the arid soil. Next, what restricts water infiltrations into the arid soils? The foundation of the conquered layers restricts water infiltration into the arid soil. आप इसे ध्यान से देखेंगे. नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 87, नेम द नेचुरल फोर्सेस विच लीड टू सॉइल इरोजन्स. द नेचुरल फोर्सेस विच लीड टू द सॉइल erosions are wind, glacier, water. This is the natural force. What are gullies? Yes, important question. The running water cuts through clay soil and makes deep canals called the gullies. Next, what are badlands? Due to the formation of the gullies, the land becomes unfit for cultivation and is known as the badland. This is answer of this question. What is ravine? Then a ravine is a deep narrow valley on earth's surface formed by running water. This is known as the ravine. Next, question number 91, what is sheet erosion? Sometimes water flows as a sheet over large area down the slope. In such cases the topsoil washes away. It is called the sheet erosion. This is the correct answer of this question. What methods is used to break up the force of wind? Explanation, strip cropping. This is the strip cropping. Next, what resources can be acquired by a nation? That is known as the national resources can be acquired by the nation. This is the correct answer of this question. Explain the term wasteland. The wasteland includes the rocky, arid and desert areas and land put to non-agricultural use like the settlement, road and the railways. Next, question number 95, what is cultural wasteland? And the answer is it is the land left cultivated for more than 5 agricultural years, that is called the wasteland. A lot of thanks to all of you students. We hope that given MCQ question for class 10 social science resource and development with answer will help you. If you have any query regarding CBSE class 10 social science geography chapter first resources and development multiple choice questions with answer, drop a comments below and we will get back to you at the earliest. आप इसे कमेंट करेंगे, आप मुझे बताएंगे और आई होप, मैं विश्वास करता हूँ, आशा करता हूँ, पूर्ण आपके पास भरोसा है कि आप इस चैनल को देखेंगे, आप इस ऑब्जेक्टिव को ध्यान से देखेंगे, MCQ को पढ़कर आप अच्छे मार्क्स ला सकते हैं. जय हिंद, जय भारत.